What do we call the huge continuous body of salty water on Earth? The correct answer is the oceans. Oceans cover most of Earth's surface and hold almost all of its water. Which gas do tiny ocean plants called phytoplankton help produce? The correct answer is oxygen. Phytoplankton use sunlight and carbon dioxide to make oxygen, just like land plants. Why does it look darker the deeper you go in the ocean? The correct answer is light gets absorbed by water. Water absorbs sunlight, so less light reaches deep layers, making them dim and dark. What is bioluminescence? The correct answer is light made by living things. Some deep-sea animals and plankton produce their own light using special chemicals. Most of the ocean is still unexplored, and scientists are discovering new creatures and secrets every year. What does a coral reef mostly consist of? The correct answer is living animals and their skeletons. Coral reefs are built by tiny animals called coral polyps that make hard skeletons. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean basin on Earth. Why are oceans important for Earth's climate? The correct answer is they store and move heat. Oceans absorb, store, and move heat around the planet, helping to control climate. Which of these jobs might use submersibles and robots to explore deep seas? The correct answer is oceanographer. Oceanographers study the ocean and often use special tools and robots to explore places humans cannot safely go. Riddle time. Can you answer this? I roar without a mouth and crash without a car. I cover Earth with waves near and far. What am I? Write your answer in the comments.